I'll give you two examples of where panic-driven, if I use the original theme, examples don't work. Going back to that panic-driven example, everybody sort of started to launch this chat GPT like chat, features on their web properties, right? Website, mobile application, what have you, irrespective of what kind of product or service they were offering. So I know enough folks who did it, and then the adoption basically crash landed. It probably started 30-40% customers tried it, and then it probably became negligible in like a couple of months' time. And the core reason of that was, so when you use that ChatGPT interface for, like, if I go on ChatGPT or you go, it's a general purpose chat, right? So I could go and ask anything. So I don't have to think about where to start. It could be mathematical problem, it could be programmatic problem, or it could be poem, or it could be anything else, right? But when you go to an automobile website, and you have this chat presented to you, you have to think about, like, where do I start? What is the question I'm supposed to ask versus discovering this product or specification or what have you, right? So very different. But if you have thought about customer first and what problem am I solving, you would have done it differently. It probably could have been similar solution, but done differently, right? This is a first-hand information. The other one is more of a interesting example I read, and it leads to a completely different conversation. I don't know if we'll have time to talk about it today, but so there was this financial institute where two different departments using the same, which is AI technology, their own data. So one department goes after a customer segment with the that segment is identified as potential growth for them. So they go after chasing them, that we need to acquire these customers because these are growth customers for us. In the same institution, the other department actually, which is, I believe the risk department, goes and identifies the same segment as the high risk customers. Same organization, two departments, using the similar data or probably siloed data within the organization, and reaching out to the same set of customers, but identifying them as two completely different segments.